Hello, welcome to another video of Java programming language. In this video we'll talk about common errors that a beginner program will do. So let's start. The first common error, that is the missing braces. The braces are used to denote a block in the program. Each opening brace must be matched by a closing brace. Okay, a common error is missing the closing brace. To avoid this kind of error, type a closing brace whenever you are opening any brace. So to avoid this type of error, type a closing brace whenever an opening brace is typed. As you can see in this example, that we have a public class welcome and it is having the opening brace, and at the end you can see one closing brace. So the last one brace, this closing brace right away to match the opening brace. So if you are using any kind of IDE such as NetBeans or Eclipse, then the IDE automatically insert a closing brace for each opening brace type. So if you are flexible with using the IDE, then you can use the IDE to automatically insert the closing brace. Okay, now let's talk about second common error, that is the missing semicolon. Each statement ends with a semicolon or terminator. Often a new program forget to place a statement or terminator for the last statement in the block. As shown in the this picture, that you can see that in the last line we don't have any semicolon at the last, which is actually missing. So you have to remember that you should give the semicolon. So it is very much important, otherwise you will get the syntax error. Okay, now let's move to the third common error, that is missing quotation mark. As you can see in this line of code, that whenever writing any kind of a string, so before problem you can see there is a double quote, but at the end there is a missing quotation mark. So a string must be placed inside the quotation mark. Often a new programmer forget to place a quotation mark at the end of a string. So you have to remember this point. You should give the double quote over here. And if you are using the IDE, then whenever you are trying to write any string, then it will be automatically insert a closing quotation mark for you. Okay, now let's talk about another common error, that is the spelling name. As you know that Java is a case sensitive language, and misspelling name is a common error for new programmer. For example, the word main here, the function name main, which is the word main is spelled as a main, m is capital here, and the string is misspelled as string. So you have to remember that here the main will be the single small letter and string s should be capital. Okay, so you have to remember all this kind of common mistakes that you can make in your program. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.